I want to remind you that you're a Pisces. and of course you know this. Now, I'll tell you why the reminder. Pisceans, and mostly water signs, are incredibly sensitive. It's not good, bad, right, or wrong. However, being incredibly sensitive means a few things. Whatever you watch, and whatever information you're observing or watching, it's not even observing because you're watching it. That's the information you take in, and that's who you become. And that's the power of being sensitive. It's also the downside of being sensitive. So if you're going to watch a bunch of movies, I'm just going to make this up, right, that are about, victims and people in hospital, or people that are going through this, or whatever it may be, the sensitivity that you have, I don't know how else to explain this, it's almost as though you draw that in and that becomes your experience. So as a Pisces, you have to be extra conscious of the books you're reading, the movies you're watching, the information you're taking in, and even the conversations you're having and the people that you spend your time with. It's everything. It's everything. And yes, sometimes that's going to feel a little bit lonely because most people have a tendency to just give out their lack and limitation and their fears. Their opinions are not coming from a place of openness and experience. And no, it's coming from lack, limitation, and bullshit. That's where most people's opinions come from. And I think it's time for you to recognize, I either listen to myself and shut it all off, or I shut myself off and I listen to everybody else. I feel like this is a decision for the Pisceans today.